So I experienced a great service yesterday from Island Shipper, and I said, you know, let me leave a review, a video review, so that other persons can know that they have an affordable option when it comes to buying things online. Alright, so this baby chair arrived at the Coral Spring location last week Thursday. I got an email every stage of the process, when it left Florida, when it reached Jamaica, when their customs are clear. I even got an email to pay the cost online, which I totally loved. And I got a call yesterday, and Robert arrived at my workplace within 30 minutes, or I think it was less, about 15 minutes. He arrived at my location and he dropped it off. This would have cost me about $15,000 in Jamaica. In total, only thing that I spent was $6,900. Why wouldn't I order online again? Alright, I saved a whole heap of money. I will definitely recommend Island Shipper to anybody, as Thanksgiving is coming up, and I know that we want all the nice things and not that's online, the 50-inch TV and all of the good things then. So no, you don't have any excuse. Alright, Island Shipper, big up on yourself.